Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. I'm going to show you how to use the Google Classroom and submit work that your teacher has set you when you've joined the classroom. So when you're on the classroom, you'll see the stream page, and this will have sort of a bulletin board of everything that you've done so far. The very first thing you need to do is click the classwork link at the top. Once you've done that, you'll see on the left all of the subjects that there is an assignment set for. So here I can see that so far for Mr. Anthony, we had some general work, some maths, science and handicraft, but they'll be added to as you go along. So I can see first that I've got a general, so I'm going to click on this one. Here I have a quick summary, but if I want to view it in full, I need to click View Assignment here. It will come up in this book window, and I can see all the instructions Mr. Anthony has given you, or your teacher has given you, and there might be some attachments as well. You can click on them, download them, it depends the instructions that your teacher has given you. If you need to write some comments with your class, you can, but that needs to be sensible comments. And if you need to have a private conversation with just your teacher, maybe there's something you don't understand, or maybe you've got a question, you can have a private conversation with just your teacher. Once you've read the instructions, you then need to go on the work that's assigned for you. So here you can click Add or Create. Now, your teacher will tell you if they want you to do it online, or they will tell you if they want you to do it on paper and maybe take a photo. So you can add or create. You can upload a file to send to your teacher, share something on Google Drive, or you can maybe create a new document here. So I could create a doc, and whilst it's creating here, I can start thinking about the questions that I'm going to ask Mr. Anthony. Once this Google Doc is done and I've edited it, I can then click Turn In. So I can turn in my document and my answers to whatever the work that your teacher has set you. So I click Turn In, check that the work there is what I want my teacher to have, and I will turn it in. Then your teacher will get an email or a message to say that they've received your work. If you've suddenly realised, oh, you've forgotten something, or you haven't quite done the work the way you wanted it to, click Unsubmit. You can go back, edit your work, and then resubmit it to your teacher. So then imagine I've edited my work, I've added that extra piece of information, I can turn it in a second time, and my teacher will be told that I've turned it in. Then your teacher will have a look through it, they might mark it, they might leave you some feedback, and they might enter a discussion with you about something else that you've got to do. That's pretty much it. You then go back to the 6 dots, go back to your classroom, and see if there's any other work you need to do. There you go.